Alright guys, I recently did a lesson with Zenek on the left here. He's a 6th grader. I threw a video of one of my old BP rounds on the right side just so we can have some comparison. Zenek's been doing a really good job lately. There's just a few things that we're working on, so let's go ahead and roll his swing here. So as he starts to swing, first of all, I'm fine with this stride. When the foot's coming down, that looks good. He's keeping his body 50-50. He's not too far back, not too far forward. I would say that his hands are pretty low. If you look at mine, my top hand, when I get to my launch position, when the foot hits the ground there, the top hand's pretty much in line with my ear, maybe the bottom of my ear. Everybody's a tiny bit different, but you're not going to see a lot of high-level hitters hitting with their hands that low to start. So we're going to work on that with Zenek, but as he comes through, everything looks pretty good. His right elbow is a little bit in front compared to mine. When I come through, you can see that the elbow stays back and gives me some leverage as I drive through the ball. So that's one thing with Zenek. Now, as he actually hits, though, he stays through the ball really well. So he keeps his bat in the zone after contact pretty well. He's not rolling his hands over yet. As he starts to roll over, he takes that top hand off pretty early, but all in all, not bad. So we want to see the hands a little higher for Zenek. We want to see that elbow stay back a tiny bit more at contact, so instead of looking like this, where it's all kind of jumbled, it's going to look more like this. See if I can get that circle out of there. Undo. It's going to look more like the elbow here staying behind, so now I can push through the ball a little bit better and get extended, a little bit more leverage. But like I said, he does a pretty good job staying through the ball still and finishing high. I really like that. If I had one more criticism for Zenek and one more thing to work on, as he swings, you can kind of see his head slant. That's a lot of slant. So when I come through here, my head's staying right there on the ball, and I'm not really slanting much. There's hitters that start with their head slanted a little bit, and it stays slanted as the pitch comes in. So Zenek kind of starts with his head straight up, and then as the pitch comes in, he's slanting as he's swinging. So just something little that we'd look to clean up as well. But all in all, he's doing a really good job, and I just wanted to show you guys what we're working on, and maybe it'll help you guys. Thanks.